Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's listen to the story of The Little Gardener's Dream. In a quaint village surrounded by lush fields, there lived a young boy named Ravi. Ravi had a big dream. He wanted to create the most beautiful garden in the village. He loved plants and flowers and spent hours reading about gardening and learning from the village elders. One spring morning, Ravi decided it was time to start his garden. He gathered seeds, tools, and a watering can and set off to a small patch of land near his home. Ravi worked tirelessly, planting seeds, watering them, and caring for the soil. He imagined the vibrant flowers and lush plants that would soon bloom. Days turned into weeks, and Ravi's garden began to grow. Tiny sprouts emerged from the soil, and Ravi's heart filled with joy. He continued to nurture his garden, but he faced many challenges. Sometimes, the weather was harsh, and pests tried to ruin his plants. But Ravi didn't give up. He remembered the advice of the village elders: patience and perseverance are the keys to a beautiful garden. One day, while Ravi was tending to his garden, a group of children from the village approached him. "Can we help you with your garden?" they asked. Ravi was delighted and welcomed their help. Together, they worked hard, planting more seeds, pulling weeds, and watering the plants. As the weeks passed, the garden flourished. Bright flowers of every color bloomed, and the air was filled with their sweet fragrance. The children were amazed by the beauty they had helped create. Ravi's garden became a place of joy and wonder for the entire village. One evening, the village elder, Grandpa Ram, visited Ravi's garden. He looked around, admiring the vibrant flowers and healthy plants. "You've done a wonderful job, Ravi," he said. "Your hard work and dedication have created something truly special." Ravi smiled and replied, "I couldn't have done it without the help of my friends. We worked together and made this garden beautiful." Grandpa Ram nodded. "That's the true magic of your garden, Ravi. It's not just the flowers and plants, but the spirit of teamwork and friendship that makes it special." Ravi realized that his dream had come true not just because of his efforts, but because of the support and collaboration of his friends. He learned that great things can be achieved when people work together and support each other. Moral of the story: dreams can be achieved through hard work, patience, and the support of others. Working together and helping each other can create something beautiful and lasting. Thank you. If you like this story and would love to listen to more such moral stories, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.